All right, we're going. So you said you're on number 5?
I think so. I'm trying to figure out, are we supposed to use the chi-square? Chi-square?
Yeah.
And then we still format it the same way as what it says in the, like how females Republican are 250, males are 200. We're putting those same columns in, right?
I
Exactly.
believe so. That's how I did it, yeah.
Okay. I'm putting that information in now.
Okay.
All right. Did you get 2 for number 5? Or no, I'm sorry. Are you even on number 5?
Yep. That's what I got, 2.
Okay. All right. So what did you get for number 1 and number 2? No. All right. So number 3.
Number 3. Actually, I'm not 100% sure on number 3.
Yeah, I'm not either.
I think I just went along with what the reading did, and it goes hypothesis or null hypothesis is R. Gender is basically C is what.
Yeah, that's exactly what I got. Yeah, the gender of voting preferences are independent.
Yeah, for the null.
Right.
Okay.
Yep, that's what I got. Okay.
All right, and then number 4 is I got C for that.
Yeah,
one.
I got C as well because it's always minus the 1.
Yeah.
And that's how I remember it. I don't remember it any other way.
Yep.
And that's as far as I made it. So how far have you made it?
I think I'm on 9, so.
Awesome.
We can go to question 6. I got A for question 6.
Yes, there are at least 5 expected counts. What are expected counts? 5 expected counts.
I don't know, but I just looked up.
Oh, okay. So in the input observed counts, so we put those in. There are at least 5. There are because there's 6 of them.
Cool. Oh, I got it. Okay, yeah.
Or I see it as 6 different groups. So I don't know. I think so.
Yeah, I just went to requirements and kind of read over that, made sure that followed the wording there.
So what is the x squared test statistic for this problem value? So how do we figure out x squared?
So it's just going to be the test statistic.
Oh, that's it? Okay.
X squared is just chi.
Oh, that's chi. Okay. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Okay, so you got 16.204?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then number 8, I got 0.
Yeah, sure is. Can't even round that up to save it.
Nope.
All right. All right, so now we're on 9. Which of the following statements best describes the outcome of the study?
And so this fails to reject, right? Since it's lower than 0.05.
Right, exactly. Since it's lower than the level of significance, yep.
So it would be not.
No, it's not. It's you reject if it's below, you reject the null. So we're rejecting the null.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah. If it's below the null, reject. Or if it's below, reject the null.
Okay. So we're gonna reject the null. So we're gonna reject that they are independent.
Right. So it'd be the bottom one then, yeah.
There is sufficient evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are independent. Yes.
Okay. So when we do reject the null, that's sufficient.
Oh no, we're rejecting that they are independent. So sufficient evidence.
There's not enough. There's not enough evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are independent.
No, I would say there is sufficient evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are not independent. So I would go with A.
Oh, I see. Okay. So when it's not enough evidence or basically insufficient, that's when you fail to reject.
Yeah.
Remember this. Okay. Okay. All right. In this set of questions, we review the reasons for seeking chiropractic care studied from the reading with the modified data. Please use the data presented here for the next 5 questions. Oh, I like that. That'll end the quiz.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so much nicer.
I know. All right. So we're just going to do that first. So in the Excel spreadsheet, they're recorded differently, which is annoying.
What do you mean?
They put, we can't just copy and paste over because the columns and rows are all messed up in the Excel. Do you see that?
Oh.
Oh well. I guess I'll just do it one by one.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Oh, well, that's weird that they connected the spreadsheet when it's the exact same thing with what's on the screen for the quiz.
Yeah.
In order that way. Oh, that's ridiculous. That's kind of redundant. All right, well, I'll close that one and I'll just leave this open. Okay, research question. Do people in Europe, Australia, and the United States seek chiropractic care for the same reasons? Level of significance level is 0.05. Hypothesis is the null is location and the motivation to visit a chiropractor or independence. The alternative is location, motivation to visit a chiropractor are not independence. Are the conditions for the test satisfied? Yes. What are the degrees of freedom? Degrees of freedom. I got an 8.
Not quite there yet. Okay, so looks like I got all of them. Yep, I got 8 as well.
Awesome.
$7.436.
I'm sorry, you got what?
7.436 for test statistic.
Ooh, I got a 6.2.
Really?
Yeah, 6.29. That's weird. All right, let's make sure
Did you copy and paste them from your Excel?
I just typed them in manually.
I did too. Maybe I typed.
Maybe I fat fingered it. 8,
Yeah,
4,
maybe.
8, 5, 6, oh, yep. Yeah, I missed one. Let's see, 97, 72, 75, 82, 64, 82, 111, 142, 78. Yep. I had, so at the bottom of the second column, instead of 97, I had 90. So that 7 alone totally changed it. So you got 7.436, is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay, yep, I'll change mine to 7.436. That's what I got.
Okay.
7.6. Okay, which is probably going to change my p-value to 0.49.
Yep.
Awesome. Which is, so it's not below, so we won't reject. So it's failed to reject. So it's probably B, right? There's insufficient evidence to suggest that motivation to visit a chiropractor is not dependent on the location.
I believe so. Let's see. Yep, that's the one.
All right. I'll go and submit first this time, and unless you already have.
I haven't. Go ahead.
I'll go ahead and do that then, and we'll see where we're at with answers.
All right.
We got number 5 incorrect.
Okay.
And that's it. That's it. That's the only one we missed, man. Sweet.
Really?
Yep.
So.
All right. I'm going to write down my answers real quick.
I wonder what 5 would be then. Not sure.
C.
I don't know. My next guess would be D.
What was that?
I guess my next guess would be D. Unless there's something I'm missing.
Well, the only question we missed was number 5, so the answer is not 5. That's weird, because that clearly said.
You put A for number 5, right?
Number 5 is, I show number 5 as a numerical answer, and we put 5. It's what is the correct choice?
I'm looking at 6. No, the answer for number 5 is 2.
2. What in the heck did I do wrong? Put my answers back in real quick. What was I looking at then? How in the world?
I'll go ahead and check mine. See if 2 is right.
Yeah, it should be. I don't know where I got 5 from.
Yeah, it's 2.
All right, I'm going to go back in real quick, upload my answers. Let's see here.
Well, looks like everything else is correct.
Yep, well. Everything else is correct.
Yeah.
All right, so true. It was C2. It was A. And what was that? Is that 16.204? Value was 0. Nine is A. 10 was true. 11 was 8. 7.426. And all right, we're golden.
All right, cool.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to Alex. Hopefully he's all right.
Yeah, hope so. Well, I'll go ahead and post this then.
All right, no problem, man.
All right, thanks, Kelly.
No problem. Have a good weekend, homie. We'll talk to you later.
You too. Bye.